Today I'm going to show you how to create geometric patterns in Adobe Illustrator using the built-in Pattern Maker tool. Geometric patterns are incredibly useful for backgrounds, branding, packaging, posters, social media graphics, and even textile design. The best part is that Illustrator can automatically turn a simple shape into a seamless repeating pattern in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can design clean, professional geometric patterns in minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Illustrator tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in and start creating our first geometric pattern. The first step is to draw a basic shape. You can use any shape you like, such as a circle, square, triangle, hexagon, or even a custom shape. To do this, select one of the shape tools from the toolbar on the left side of Illustrator. For example, you could choose the ellipse tool and drag on the canvas to draw a circle. You can also hold the Shift key while dragging to keep the proportions perfectly even. Once your shape is created, you can apply any fill color or stroke style you like. This will become the base element for your repeating pattern. Next, click on the shape to make sure it is selected. With the shape selected, go to the top menu and click Object, then go down to Pattern and choose Make. As soon as you click Make, Illustrator will enter something called Pattern Editing Mode. You will notice that your artwork is now surrounded by repeated preview copies of the shape. This live preview shows exactly how your pattern will repeat when it is used later. At the same time, a panel called Pattern Options will appear. This panel is where you control how the pattern repeats. One of the most important settings here is tile type. By default, Illustrator uses a basic grid layout, but you can easily experiment with other styles. For example, you can switch to brick by row, brick by column, or hex layouts to instantly create more complex geometric arrangements. Try clicking through these options and watch the preview update in real time. Another useful control is spacing. If your shapes feel too close together or too far apart, you can adjust the horizontal or vertical spacing values until the pattern looks balanced. You can also scale or rotate the original shape while staying inside pattern editing mode to quickly explore different visual styles. Once you are happy with the design, move to the top of the screen and click Done. When you click Done, Illustrator automatically saves the pattern into your Swatches panel. This means the pattern is now ready to use anywhere in your project. To test it, draw another shape such as a rectangle or circle and then simply click the new pattern swatch in the Swatches panel. Illustrator will instantly fill that shape with your repeating geometric pattern. This technique makes it incredibly easy to build backgrounds, wallpapers, textures, and decorative design elements in just a few seconds. You can always double-click the pattern swatch later if you want to edit the pattern again. And that is how to create geometric patterns in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.